Hello guys, welcome to fifth video of this section, moving view controlling logic into a presenter. Previously, we have learned about inversion of control and dependency injection. We have also looked into advantages of Dagger specifically and how to use it in our project. In this video, our focus will be implementing a contractor which will further have two interfaces called view and presenter. Then we will start moving our logic from controller to presenter to make our code more modular and flexible. In this video, we will be also implementing Buttonhive. It's a view injection library. Using this library, you don't need to write find view by ID anymore. So, without wasting any further time, let's get starting with our code. This is our basic application which we have developed so far in last video. Now in this application we will implement MVP design pattern. So let's start with our presenter. Create a new class. Call it main presenter. There you go. To implement MVP design pattern we also need contractor interface. Call it main contractor. It's gonna be interface class. And this interface class further extended contain two interfaces, main view and second interface presenter. There you go. Now let's go to our main activity class and implement our MVP design pattern in our activity. Our main activity class will extend, comma, main view, and our main presenter class will implement presenter interface. There you go. Now go back to our main activity class, finalize it first. Main activity binding we don't need anymore because we won't be using binding in MVP design pattern. And to access list view here, we will be using Buttonhive library. To use Buttonhive library, first go to your Gradle build app and dependencies. Now here we will add Buttonhive dependency. There you go. Implement Buttonhive 8.8.1 Buttonhive processor 8.8.1. Use the latest version which is available at the time you're watching the video and sync. After this, go back to your main application, main activity class. Once your Gradle build is completed, now write @ bind view. Here write id r.id.project list view, call it project list. Now we have created an instance of our list view. Now we won't be using this, we will be once again coming to convention, set content view r.layout.activity main adapter, and rename it, call it instead of array adapter main adapter because it's our customized adapter now, main adapter. After set content view, bind the Buttonhive dot bind, pass this instance, donate project list dot set adapter main adapter. On start will remain the same there, but now instead of main view adapter we will be using our main presenter view model provider main presenter observe main presenter. There you go, and pass here main presenter, rename it also main presenter. Now start moving our logic from main view model to main presenter. Just copy all this logic, Control C, Control V, come here, extend it, Android UML, main presenter, rename constructor. And now one thing which will be different here with the previous one is our main view. We will be having our main view here, and there is one more function called setup presenter. Go to contractor class, void setup presenter main view. Now as we have defined here, now it's going to override automatically in this class. Implement, there you go, our main presenter. And now main view is dot main view is equal to main view. Now it's giving us an error because we haven't defined injection of this main presenter in our main component. Go to main component, main view model, replace it with main presenter. Now go back, there you go, everything is fine in presenter, everything is fine in our application, except we need to call the setup presenter function from here. Now go to on start function, in activity, on start function, main presenter. Before passing main presenter, we need to call main presenter dot setup presenter and pass this. That's all. Our presenter is ready. Now go to our main adapter class. In main adapter, we also need to remove our binding here as well. So how we are going to do that? View is equal to the inflator which we have defined previously. We will be using this inflator, layout inflator dot inflate, and in this constructor we need to pass context and layout. Let's pass r dot layout dot item layout, comma, it's a root and you can pass it just null here for now. Now we don't need this item binding anymore. Now bind it, button knife dot bind this, comma, view. For this text we'll do same as previously, bind view, name r dot id dot title, text view, title, annotation, bind view. Okay, now don't need binding, title dot set text, and in return we will return view. There you go, we have removed binding from our adapter as well. And there is one more thing we can do. We need to provide our adapter as well. We can define our adapter here @provide @singleton main adapter provides main adapter, return new main adapter application dot get application context. As we have defined our main adapter here, then what we can do, we can just inject our main adapter here. We don't need to define main adapter separately. Go to main activity here, we don't need to, but we can do @inject main adapter, and after injection we can just pass it here. We don't need to initialize it, or if you are initializing then it's gonna be fine, but you can do this way as well. That's all for now. We have separated our logic from view so that we run automated test cases and made our project more flexible so it can adopt any changes easily. Thanks for watching this video. Next topic is testing our presenters.